Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, division and power of a number. So here we have to discuss this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answer: A is 3, B is 4, C is 6 and D is 12. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. So the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, that part first in your expression. If your expression contains, now step number 3, we have to solve the division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have here we have same precedent both. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So both have similar precedence, so we can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for subtraction, addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward. Now we have to solve this quiz. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So first we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So in this expression, we have this bracket which contains two operation division two times and one is the power which has the number. So we have to solve this one. So first of all, what we have to do according to the rule inside the bracket, we have to follow for same rule. So now we have to solve the order of repetition and exponent part in this expression. So here we have 2 raised to power 2. So we have to solve this one. 36 divided by, we will write here as it is, divided by 3 and divided by 2 raised to power 2 which is equal to 4. And here we have to divide with 3. So here we have to give the reference like 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4. And this becomes the power of this number. We will write like this way. Now move forward. Step number. Now we have to see the division and multiplication. So now we have all operations are in a division. So inside the bracket, first of all, we have to solve the division, which is we will go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 36 divided by 3, which is equals to 1 and 3 to the 6. So we will write like 2 and divided by 4. Again, we have to write and it becomes the bracket. Again, we have divided by 3. Now we have to give the reference 36 divided by 3 equals to 12. Now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 12 divided by 4, which is equals to divided by 3 and divided by 3. We will write here as it is. So we have here two numbers which are dividing each other. So we will divide both of them and get the answer is 1. So the answer of the given expression is 1. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.